Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make your TikTok account private. And guys, the process is really simple, and it really doesn't matter if you're using Android or iPhone. The process will be pretty much the same. Alright, so the first step what you need to do here is to open your TikTok app, and then you need to go on the Me option that is on a bottom right. And then the next step what you need to do here is to click on three little dots that is on a top right corner. And then the next step what you need to do here is to go on privacy, the second option. And as you can see here, the first option is private account. So if you want to make your account private, toggle this on. And also if you want to make your account really private, you can also toggle this on, suggest your account to other, toggle this down, right? And basically TikTok will not suggest your profile to others. All right, so and the content. So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.